It seems like they're doomed to declare bankruptcy with no help from anybody. The situation is ideal, nevertheless, for Shiba Inu. It has even caught the eye of Robin Hood. Since they are making assumptions about a monumental event that is going to happen, I am feeling rather hopeful. However, what really is going on, and why should we feel elated by it? Give me a moment to explain yourself. Just so you know today, there was this wild thing that happened with whales. Recent data from IntovaBlock shows a staggering 30,000% decline in whale net flows in Shiba Inu. As the net flow of substantial holdings has dropped dramatically, it appears that big players in the Shiba Inu game are cutting back. In most cases, an increase in net flows indicates accumulation, which in this case indicates that whales are making investments. However, if the price drops this far, it might mean that these big investors are starting to sell or reduce their holdings. But please tell me what's happening and how this is even conceivable. Here, the state of the market is crucial. At times of market uncertainty or price peaks, large holders may decide to lock in their gains before the next downturn in the cryptocurrency market. Maximizing profits is another typical part of the cycle. Things are the way they are. It is possible that whales are taking a profit in order to reinvest their funds or wait for a better chance. However, this does not always portend ill luck for Shiba Inu. When prices dip, smaller investors have an opportunity to join the market, or whales can re-enter at a lower price, as shown in the past. New demand, especially from speculators looking to benefit from the slump, could lead to a resurgence for Shiba Inu in the current unstable market trend. In a moment, I will explain why this massive whale exodus is not a bad thing. The news regarding Shiba Inu continues, so that's just the start. It would appear that the conventional US economy is collapsing. A recent tweet has caused quite a stir, claiming that the United States is declaring bankruptcy. At the moment, interest payments account for a staggering $3 billion per day. Global markets may feel the effects of such a catastrophic economic downturn in the United States. Shiba Inu and the Bitcoin market as a whole might ironically gain from such volatility. As soon as people see that their trusted financial institutions are failing, they often seek out other places to put their money. Cryptos typically do quite well when the economy is in a state of flux. This has happened before, when investors flee from government-backed assets or fiat currency and seek refuge in cryptocurrencies. This case involves inflation, instability, and the fact that the United States pays interest on a daily basis totaling billions of dollars. So investors may start putting their money into riskier, potentially more lucrative assets like cryptocurrency, rather than traditional ones like stocks or bonds. As investors look for ways to hedge against faltering financial markets, Shiba Inu may benefit from this shift. The low price and easy availability of Shiba Inu make it a good choice for ordinary investors who want to get in on the market action without putting down big sums of money. Even though the news of the US economy's collapse seems bad for traditional markets, Shiba Inu might do well as more people seek security in decentralized digital assets. It has now come to pass, and with it, the notion that cryptocurrencies will thrive today, election outcomes or no election, has also spread. No matter who wins or loses the presidential election, many believe the Bitcoin market might benefit. This is because voting patterns often lead to shifts in the distribution of wealth. As they campaign for their own platforms and policies, both candidates have shown an interest in the cryptocurrency market. It was recently announced that Kamala Harris would be accepting funds from Shiba Inu to support her political campaign. This move is significant because it shows that prominent politicians are starting to engage with cryptocurrency on a more personal level. This can serve as a signal to investors that cryptocurrencies are gaining credibility and acceptance. On the other hand, new regulations proposed by Donald Trump may benefit the Bitcoin industry. These proposals have the potential to enhance the environment for digital assets by reducing rules or creating incentives for Bitcoin investments. A lot of people get interested in and invest in the Bitcoin industry when politicians do things like this. People may start moving their money into Bitcoin as they anticipate these events and see the possible benefits. Shiba Inu and other digital assets could see a substantial boost in value as a result of the elections, whether that's due to direct involvement or the endorsement of policies that cause a rise in the cryptocurrency market. Another tweet from CryptoRover gives us a visual depiction of how cryptocurrencies fared in previous presidential elections. By analyzing these historical graphs for trends and patterns, we might be able to predict the behavior of cryptocurrencies this time around. On rare occasions, the market for cryptocurrencies has been drastically affected by presidential elections. Investors have moved their holdings in reaction to new laws and election outcomes, causing Bitcoin values to rise or experience considerable volatility in prior election years, according to historical statistics. Hints of what may happen in the future can be found in this historical context. Previous elections have demonstrated positive trends in cryptocurrencies would likely have a comparable effect on this election. Potentially motivated by the candidates' stances on the matter or anticipating potential advantages, investors may ramp up their interest in investments in the Bitcoin market. As a whole, it seems like more and more people will be piling their money into Bitcoin. Curiously, Shiba Inu is in the best possible position to gain an edge right now. Still, how are they managing to pull that off? Well, I must say that something quite surprising occurred just now. A whole thread was devoted to the Shiba Inu by Robinhood on X, not expecting this because Robinhood usually doesn't prioritize any one cryptocurrency. Their sudden focus on Shiba Inu has sparked a lot of debate. Now everyone is asking why Robinhood would bring it into such a spotlight. Does this mean they're planning anything big involving Shiba Inu? Maybe new opportunities have emerged, or maybe they just want to get more people interested. Whatever the reason, this move has everyone wondering what the future holds for Shiba Inu and its position on the platform. Post asterisk, let's talk about Shiba Inu, one of the most popular tales in cryptocurrency. You can find a summary of the project's launch and community-driven popularity. The Robinhood thread delves into the background and the achievements of Shiba Inu from their introduction on the market. Among the most astonishing stories is the one about Shiba Inu and his incredible climb to the top. The remarkable achievement of Shiba Inu, despite initial skepticism, demonstrates their determination and the strength of their group. Thanks to its track record of unexpected successes and outstanding performance, Shiba Inu is in a prime position to benefit from the present investment and interest boom in the cryptocurrency business. Despite this, experts are hopeful about Shiba Inu's long-term growth prospects. Nevertheless, there are other considerations to consider as well. Leading trader Dexter has made a fascinating forecast despite the current market challenges. The Shiba Inu may achieve its long-term goal of 300 in due time. This is 10 times the current price, just to give you an idea. There's been a lot of activity in the Bitcoin market recently, but Shiba Inu hasn't taken advantage of it yet. With almost $7 billion in market value, Shiba Inu is still one of the big players. Dexter noted that Shiba Inu is nearing a critical support area, even if the coin is currently trending downwards. In order for Shiba Inu to continue its upward trend, the token needs to hold its current level of support and move towards the resistance trend line. According to Dexter's findings, Shiba Inu still have a good shot for long-term growth, even though they're having trouble right now. That is, if they can get themselves back on their feet. But what are your thoughts about that? Post a remark below. I'm interested in hearing your thoughts. If you want to know more, just click on one of the videos that are shown on the screen. As a result, the video comes to an end. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it with others by leaving a comment below. This is really useful for the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you liked the video, please tell as many people as you can to watch it. We need to get the word out about this.